Hello guys, welcome back. Have you ever tried to format a currency in Excel only to discover that it isn't available in the default currency list? Today, I'll show you how to add custom currency formats for the Ghanaian Cedi, Nigerian Naira, and Indian Rupee using the same simple method. Let's get started. Select the entire column containing your values. Press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells window. Click on the Number tab and select Custom from the category list. In the type box, enter open quotation mark GH Cedi symbol, close quotation mark, space, hash comma hash hash 0.00. Then click OK. Your values will now display as Ghanaian Cedis. Now that we've added the Ghanaian Cedi, let's use the same method for the Nigerian Naira. Select the Naira column. Press Ctrl+1. Select Custom. This time enter open quotation mark, Naira symbol, close quotation mark, space, hash comma hash hash 0.00. Click OK. And just like that, all the values are displayed in Nigerian Naira. As you can see, the process remains exactly the same, only the currency symbol changes. Let's do one final example using the Indian Rupee. Select the Rupee column. Press Ctrl+1. Choose Custom. In the type box, enter open quotation mark, Rupee symbol, close quotation mark, space, hash comma hash hash 0.00. Then click OK. Your values will now appear in Indian Rupees. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.